Go live.
Coach, another classic with Dan Aykroyd is Nothing But Trouble. They had the introduction of a Digital Underground in court, and
Yeah,
Dan Aykroyd
absolutely.
played that judge with Chevy Chase. Is another good
Yeah,
one.
yeah, where the hot dog thing the bratwurst or whatever it is goes around the
Yeah.
train tracks. I like me a good brat.
Dude, Dan Aykroyd has been in some classic comedies.
Yeah, speaking of Dan Aykroyd, we went and saw the new Ghostbusters over the weekend.
How was it?
It was, you know what? It was funny. Everybody was kind of like mad about it, not like reinventing the wheel and all that. I actually liked it. I felt that it was kind of like the original where we had a decent build up, decent character building. It wasn't all just effects and action and crap, like you would see on your 800th version.
Yeah.
So I actually liked it. I like it when they do that. I hate it when they just think they're just going to CGI and action you to death, right? And then the first 20 minutes, you're like, this sucks. There's no story. Nobody cares.
No.
So I actually thought it was good. If I was going to give it a stars out of 5, I'd say probably 3, just because, you still had Bill Murray in it. I mean, they had the cast in there. The whole cast was in there, which was really cool.
Well,
So-
except for Harold Ramis. of
Yeah,
course.
right. That would be kind of hard. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be kind of difficult, but yeah.
Well, it's Ghostbusters, right? And
Yeah, and
Ghost-
remember they brought him in on one of them as a ghost, remember? The last
No, I
one?
didn't see that.
Yeah, it was it the last one they brought him in as a ghost?
Wow.
Yep.
Yeah, the last one I thought was much better. This one was pretty good though.
Yeah, it wasn't bad. It wasn't like, must go see. Here's a shit movie I saw over the weekend. Excuse Don's language. Don, that'll be $1 in the tip jar. And I was so hyped about this movie because I freaking love Conor McGregor. Yeah, Roadhouse. What a pile of crap.
Oh
They
no, I was
didn't
gonna
go
watch
to the
it, but
first
didn't.
one?
I'm glad I didn't.
Damn it.
Roadhouse 2.
Yeah, Roadhouse, the new one. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it.
Oh,
The first one is awesome with Patrick Swayze and Sam Elliott.
For sure. The first one was, it was really good. 80s, straight up
They didn't live
80s
up to
action.
it?
No.
It was
Dang.
free.
Freaking sucks, man, because I was so hyped about this thing. I was so hyped. I'm like, this is going to be good. I mean, you could have just literally copied the whole thing. You could have copied it, man. Nope. It was funny. After we got done, me and my wife sat there, and I'm not kidding, for like 3 minutes, and we rewrote the whole show, the whole thing. Like, this is what they should have done. And I'm not going to say anything that way we don't spoil it, but I'm like, you should have did this, 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 this. She's like, yep. And then you do this. And I'm like, yep. And then we'll add this and we'll do this. We're like, boom, done. Here, I'll rewrite it right now. Let's just, start over because you guys suck. Director, you're a trash bag. Hate it.
Wow.
Hate it. But, some people be like, oh, it's great, but it's, fun, free action. But come on, don't take a classic and put it in a blender. Stupid.
Screw it up.
Stupid. Don't call it Roadhouse then, right?
Coach, a really
Piano
good
game
one to go
was the
see.
only part I enjoyed.
Damn it.
A really good movie to go see, Coach, is Dune 2.
Yeah, I think we're going to go see it this weekend. Yep. Now, here's what's funny.
Incredible.
The first time I saw Dune, the first one, oh my gosh, I think I fell asleep 66 times. Then
You will not fall asleep on this one, man.
but
It's
then I
good.
watched it again. Oh, wait a minute. CYTO is about to pop. CYTO is getting action. I'm going to start our position right here. But I watched it again, and then I watched it in my Vision Pro. And of course, that makes everything a million times better. But I was like, you know what? I'm going to give this a chance. There's got to be a reason, because I was really interested. I wanted to see Dune 2. I'm like, I have to give this thing a chance. And I'm glad I did, because I actually watched it all the way through again with maybe my, I don't know, 10-year different eyes or something. But I watched it again, and I actually thoroughly enjoyed Dune this time. So I don't know. Maybe it was a time in my life where I couldn't sit still or something. I don't know.
Coach, Dune 2 is a masterpiece movie of the year.
That's what I heard. Have you guys ever done that before? You watched a movie and then
Yep.
years later you watch it again and go, "Oh, it was actually good." It's because you're in a different place, right?
You're a different person. watching.
Yes. Yes.
Yep.
So maybe I was too antsy to be like, I can't sit here for 2 hours and 20 minutes. I got like things to do and shit's happening. And you're like,
Right.
you know what I'm saying? And now I'm like, this is so nice. Let me just buckle in. Let me get comfortable here. As I was watching it, you know, I was actually watching that one in the desert at night. Apple Vision Pro. Holy shit. Amazing. CYTO didn't do crap here, by the way. I was hoping this was going to pop and run. 908. Good morning, everybody. Thank you all for being here. Appreciate it. Looks like 253, so around 250-ish is support on CYTO. Not really doing much. I do have a starter position in, 1,000 shares on it. Waiting to see if this can drive up. If this does drive up and pop VWAP, I will add. If it does not, and it drops below 250, I will get out. It's actually getting tight, and I got to go live on my show. As much as I would like to just sit here and make money all day, like my community, I got a job to do. So I will sell these off now because I can't babysit these. I'll take the $100 loss, move on, and let's get this party started. Good morning, everybody. Thank you all for being here. My name is Chad, a.k.a. The Coach. We got a little bit different camera angle going on over here. I am using a Galaxy S24 Ultra streaming through ADT Coach. So if the camera looks a little different, you'll know why. Android loves to make for whatever reason, the filters are always trash. Android, can you please get your shit together with that? The filters are always garbage running through applications. I really wish they would fix that. It's been a problem since Android has been Android. Please stop doing that. That would be great. Signed, everyone. Thank you all for being here. Don't forget, this week is going to be a short week. There is no market on Good Friday. This is Easter. Happy Easter to all of you. Thank you, Easter Bunny. Bog, bog. Appreciate everybody being here. You guys are amazing. I want to thank all my moderators. CYTO starting to make a move here. CYTO wants to make a move. Hold on. I'm going to make a quick buck right here. There it goes. There's the pop. Anybody make money on CYTO on that pop right there? Yeah, you did. So you guys can make money while I'm doing my 3-minute sales speech. There it goes. There's a nice pop. Everybody like that? Yeah, you did. There's $300. I'll take $300 right there. Very nice. That's a $300 gain just made off of 3,000 shares off of CYTO on the break of VWAP. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. Everybody have a great day. I'm out. What's it feel like for you guys on your side where you can just sit there and make money constantly while we're calling this out? It must be amazing. Is it great? Are you guys loving that or what? Huh?
Pretty awesome, Coach.
It's got to be amazing, right? I mean, look at this thing. You guys are still just making money, and I'm over here trying to sell a $200 membership. Buy those memberships. Come on now, get some of those. Holy crap. And then I could be like, hey, there's $10,000 in 23 seconds. But anyways, I want to say thank you to all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Carter, Dawn, Paul at the Beach, Miranda, Johan, and Happily Housewife, Eric's Moto, DT, the female trucker, Luke Sidewalker, Jimmy, Brady, David, Mark, Nate, Ted, and Mark McSee. Thank you so much. By the way, Lee is stepping down, taking care of some stuff at home. We appreciate you, Lee. Love your face. That's why you did not hear his name today. He is stepping down as a moderator, taking care of business. We love you. We're prayers, wishes, everything, brother. We're here. We appreciate you. Mark McSee stepping up. He's now going to be all of the news and information. He's going to be heading that up. So thank you, Mark. We appreciate you. Big round of applause for my main man, Mark.
Thank you.
Congrats, Mark.
Yes, yes. So that is Mark McC taking over. He is going to be our new news master. So if you are a VIP Gold member, you will see his handiwork over there in your news channel. By the way, VIP Gold News, this thing is fire. We should just rename it to News Fire. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? There's so much great news and information over there. We did get the latest one posted. Yes, we did. We have a weekly outlook. I'm going to give you guys a sneak peek of what this is. This is absolutely incredible. I want to show you guys, for those of you that are still on the fence, let me drag you off the fence real quick, okay? This is what our comprehensive news service looks like. Let me mute Thomas L's microphone. This is what it looks like. If you are a part of our gold service, you get the weekly outlook every week. Let me pull this back a little bit. Okay? This tells you everything that's in the news from multiple sources, right? All the information that is coming out, things to look for, when to look for them, what's going on in the market, what you can expect on different returns, weekly earnings. Look at all this. I mean, there is so much. There is so much. Look at the best of the blue chips, the 500 ETFs. Here's your best penny stocks. There's your best stocks to day trade, right? I mean, this is huge. Upgrades and downgrades. Look for that too, Mark. See if we can add those. All right, buddy. So you guys see all this information. This is all a part of the VIP Gold service. Speaking of VIP Gold, did anybody have the VIP Gold weekend training this weekend?
It was amazing.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
That's David.
Thank you. Thank you. That's what I mean. David is doing a great job. If you guys are not in there, you definitely want to take a peek, right? Obviously, I know some of you can't afford it, and I understand that. That's not for you then. Don't worry. Your time will come. But every week, we are training you in the VIP Gold. We've never done that before. We have never done weekend training. So we are now here 6 days a week. Before 6 days a week training you guys. We provide the most training of anyone ever. We also have the most free training out of any stock market education company in the world. Head on over to YouTube. Go over to our YouTube channel. We have over 2,000 videos. All I ask that you guys do over there, because it's completely free, by the way, just click that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. That's all I ask. It's ad-free, sponsored free. We release around 135 to 150 videos a month over on our YouTube channel. We've got tons of playlists. So if you are interested in different strategic ways to trade, you guys seriously click on those. It's all over there. It's all the time. Then at night at 4:30 p.m. when the market is over, we are over in our aftermarket show. So our aftermarket, which Dawn puts on a great show over there every single night at 4:30 p.m. You guys can go over there and hang out with everybody that you hear throughout the day. We've got millionaires on the panel. We've got people that have found success. We've got people that are struggling, which is great because you might be able to go, hey, what can we do? How, we're all in this thing together, right? Because not everybody's going to find success. Let's be honest, right? Not everybody's going to find success. That would be impossible. There's no such thing as guarantees. This is not easy. This is a job just like anything else you do. Now, you will see us, right? I mean, you just saw me make, what, $220 in under 10 seconds a second ago. That isn't all the time. But guys, I've been doing this 32 years, right? So in 32 years, you'll be able to do this too, right? Hopefully, knock on wood. But that's the thing, is that this will take time, energy, and your resources. This is why, though, we are here from market open to market close. We're here every single day. When the market is open, we are here. We always have been. We have never missed a day ever since being here. And American Dream Trading, by the way, has been in business now for over 3 years. I have gone live for almost a year and 8 months now. I can't believe it's been that long. We've only missed a couple of days, right? I'm trying to take a couple of days off here and there. Speaking of days off, tomorrow I will not be here. I've got to go to my son's Air Force Base for some clearance for some awards and stuff he's doing. So I will not be here tomorrow. Friday is Good Friday. Don't forget there is no market on Friday, and I might take Monday off. I don't know. We'll see. But I keep telling myself, take the day off, take the day off, take it. We'll see. Who knows? I don't know. Every time I take a day off, I wind up in here hanging out with all my buddies anyways, right? All you guys. My idea of a day off is I still go into the Zoom, but I'll be at a coffee shop instead of in front of the computer, and I'll still trade with you. I still walk you through stuff. That's whatever. That's my day off. But anyways, love you guys. I appreciate everybody being here. You guys are absolutely amazing. Anytime you want to join us, just go over to AmericanDreamTrading.com. You'll see it up here. It's always up on the top. We do have a free Discord you guys can join. We have 12 minutes to the bell. Free Discord. We've got how-to videos, flashcards, games, stock terminology, all sorts of stuff. Head on over there. Get signed up. And again, today we've got that Easter sale going on. If you guys use the discount code Easter500 when you are checking out, you can get $500 off for the first year on either the VIP Gold, or the VIP Complete, which has both of those packaged for the first year. So make sure you guys take advantage of that. But other than that, love your face. Make sure when you guys come in, you say good morning. I appreciate all of you being here. I see you all over there on YouTube. Now remember, we're on YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Right here, CYTO starting to pop off again. CYTO starting to pop off again. See if we can get a nice little move right here on CYTO. Watch CYTO. See if you can get a break of 3. If you can get a break of 3, you should have a nice pop. Watch for the break of 3 on CYTO. If not, the longer it sits here, this will pull back. I've got a starter position in here. Just for funsies, we'll see what's going to happen here on CYTO. But this thing is nice volume today, by the way, at 4.42 million volume. Lots of volume pouring into CYTO. Yeah, there is a ton of people trading this. Ton. Right here, I want to add. Hold on. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's a beautiful little dip. Daddy likes. I like that little pullback. That's glorious. I added in on that pullback, of course, because I'm talking to all you. I can't do it as fast, but 281 is support. 281 is support on CYTO. And, of course, watch for VWAP. But anyways, if you guys are interested in joining us, our regular paid memberships start at $200. Just $200 gets you access to Zoom. You'll be in here with the other 500 members that we have inside of our room right now. You will get training at 8:45. We do the pre-market setup, the hot stock picks. You'll, of course, get the IPO center and much more. Hold on a second. I'm actually actively trading this right here on CYTO. Going to try to scoop up on VWAP and get out if it breaks, but excuse me. But anyways, $200 gets you access to all that. When you're ready, though, and you're serious, you definitely want to look at our VIP memberships. With a VIP membership, you guys will get those videos on demand that you'll only get in the VIP training. You'll get VIP masterclass training every day with me starting at 8:15. You'll get early access to Zoom starting at 4 a.m. Eastern with all of our other millionaires that are inside of the room that come in super bright and early to start the pre-market trading and getting your mind right for the day. Excuse me. You'll get all the workshop classes for free. We always try to put on one workshop class per month. They are always something different. Full Q&A. You guys will get access to that. You'll get all of that with the VIP membership. When you're ready to step that up, you can join the VIP Gold. With the VIP Gold, you're going to get weekend training, priority help desk support. You're going to get mastermind class. All mastermind classes will be free while you are subscribed to that service. What am I missing, moderators? I have to have like the monster checklist because we have so much stuff inside of these now. Hold on. You will also get... Oh, of course, I forgot to. With the VIP, you'll get the Trading View indicators, and VIP Gold. Right now, we're just doing it right now as a special only. This will be taken away soon. You'll get a one-on-one with a moderator as well. Plus, you'll get the news service and any breakout rooms that we do. That's with the VIP Gold. So again, if you guys are interested, all of this information is listed under the new members start here. It says membership info. It lists everything you get. Don't forget, use the code Easter500 to take $500 off the first year of VIP Gold, or VIP Gold complete memberships. Very nice. Get yours. CYTO, by the way, is one of the hot stock picks. We're just watching this here and see if this wants to do something else. It's not really doing a whole lot. There is a lot of action on CYTO right now, though. We'll see what this wants to do. Oh, it's 9:23. We've got about 7 minutes to the market. So real quick, I want to thank all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day. Special shout out to my son, Air Force, 8 years now. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate you for your service. Thank you, as always, to our first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and say it with me, everybody, all my truck drivers around the world. There it is. Thank you.
Hell yeah, let's roll, y'all.
There it is. Now we can start our week. That's what I'm talking about. Thank you guys again. Please do me a favor. Click follow, subscribe, do all the things. I would highly appreciate it. Thank you so much. Right here, I'm actually going to add in a little bit more on CYTO. CYTO starting to get a little bit of a move. This is what it looks like, by the way, when we're doing our pre-market trading. You guys are getting a little bit of behind the scenes of how we trade this out. What it looks like. Just watching CYTO starting to get a little bit more volume here. I can see a lot of buyers stepping in on CYTO. CYTO. See if we get a nice pop. Here it comes. Lots of volume pouring in. Yep, there we go. Come on, a little more. Let's see if there it goes. Nice pop. Oh, I just sold at the wrong time. Yikes. Oh, man. That was up $300. I clicked sell, and I know I just got a terrible fill. Yep, I did. Costed me $100. Oh, well. I had 6,000 shares, so it took a while to get rid of them. It is what it is. But thank you, thank you, thank you. Remember, if you guys have any questions or you need any service. Yes.
You should watch DWAC. It's shooting through the roof right now.
DWAC, okay, is there news?
Yeah, it's merger
they were
today.
they were talking about how it's going to maybe purchase the Mr. D's social media.
Yeah,
And,
truth. Yeah,
That's this week, and it's going to happen.
yeah,
So,
that's a go. Yep.
Donald Trump is going to be one of the wealthiest guys off of just the shares alone.
That's correct. They said $4 billion. Yep.
Sorry, Nana. They didn't mean to stomp all over you.
No, it's okay.
Yeah,
but
thank
it's
you,
just
everybody.
nice. You get some volume. I've been in it since Friday, so I'm doing fantastic.
Yes, good. And that was crazy too, because if you guys remember, right, I had a 13.7% pullback on Friday, right? And here we are now at 11% gain.
Yeah, I
What's
got it. I got in the pullback. Right
Yep.
at the end of the market.
Yeah,
'cause
smart.
It was keep on dipping. I got it right there. So
Smart.
I'm doing good.
Yeah, smart. Good
What stock
job.
was that?
That's DWAC. DWAC.
Thank you.
Yep. That's going to merge, buy out Truth Social, which is Mr. T's social media platform. So that should be a run.
Pity the fool.
Yep. So we will see.
Mr. B's MySpace. Watch that this week.
Yep. So we'll Mr. B's MySpace.
MySpace. Oh my god.
Oh, for crying out loud. Okay, where are we at? We got 3 minutes to the bell. 3 minutes to the bell. This should be another exciting day. Don't forget, we do not have the market on Friday. That means you're going to treat Thursday like options Friday. All right. So everybody be cool. What's a good place to start paper trading? Check out Webull. It's absolutely free. Check it out. Webull. Webull. Go check it out. CYTO making a nice move here. Anybody making money on that? That's beautiful, man. It's popping back up to that 3 again.
Quick scale.
Yep. Quick scalp. Scalp. Nice. Everybody remember the rules. So a couple of rules that we like to live by here, right? Never lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value ever in any given day. Please don't do that. If you have 2 red trading days in a row, stop trading. Go ahead and take the next month off. Make sure you have a stop loss on each and every single trade. That will help protect your assets while growing your portfolio. Make sure you have small position sizes, small base hits, letting them run, right? Don't swing for the fences ever. Very small position sizes. That is the name of the game here, right? Remember here at American Dream Trading, this is not financial, tax, or investment advice. Everything we do is for training and education purposes only. So everything that you hear, right, none of these are long-term evaluations. We're just talking about today only, everything we discuss, unless I am talking about, hey, look at this moving forward, or this looks good doing this. Otherwise, we're just talking about quick trades today. But we do everything from day trading and swing trading, everything that has to do with stocks, options. We do everything. I mean, literally everything. If you're part of our VIP membership, right, we're in there discussing IRAs and 401ks, like giving you different tips and strategies, things that you guys can use, right? We're looking at long terms and swings. We're looking at covered calls and cash secured puts and debit and credit spreads and calendar spreads, and we're doing everything that we need to do, right? There goes your CYTO pop. Hopefully you all made a lot of money on that. That's glorious. Anybody make money on CYTO?
Yes, sir.
$4,200, coach.
Did you say $4,200?
Yes, sir.
Listen, Mark, it's always Mark. Mark is always listening. He is my next Jimmy. He listens to everything. I love that about you, Mark. You are literally, well, you've already made over $1 million. So you are, right? You are up there in the upper echelon anyways, but he listens.
I do. I listen to everything, bud.
I appreciate that. All right, what are you up to now, man? It's got to be glorious.
Yeah, I'm right at my 4 million mark.
$4 million since joining American Dream Trading. And how long have you been with us, Mark?
Since August.
Since August. $4 million he's made. That's awesome. Congratulations to you. Okay, here we go, everybody. The market is open. Remember, follow all the rules. Nobody get your faces ripped off. Do not go rogue. I will hunt you down if you do. Everybody be cool. CYTO staying up here. But remember, everything that has ran up in the pre-market, watch for a nasty pull. That's everybody selling off for the day before. So nobody get your faces ripped off, please. If you're a new trader, by the way, you want to wait the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day. Don't trade in the first 30 or last hour. If you are a veteran trader, you should at least wait the first 3 minutes. That's where it's going to be really choppy. The first 3 minutes and the last 8 minutes, by the way, of the market are the choppiest of the entire day. CYTO starting to get some movement here, which this should have had a bigger pullback out of the gate. Interesting with CYTO.
Google, Apple, and Amazon, new lower day.
Okay, thank you. CYTO is staying up there nicely at 90% now to the upside. I was surprised that didn't pull back farther on this open. Let's CYTO continuing to move here.
Tesla, new higher day.
Oh, interesting. Okay, thank you.
Very interesting. It's going strong.
Thank you. CYTO now hovering around 90%. There goes the sell-off. That's where it should have been, right at the open. SPY to the upside. Apple's pulling big time here. Apple still crashing out to the downside, breaking our pre-market levels. SPY moving up. Tesla blasting off. Everybody's loving the new FSD version 12.3 that was released over the weekend. By the way, I also got it on my vehicle. Everybody's loving it. It's very nice. Version 12.3 is really, really good.
Coach, there's talk that that's going to bring their margins up big time because that's all software as a service.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. It's so much better. It is so much better than version 11 was. It's crazy how much better it is. There goes Tesla. Nice moves. Just ripping to the upside here for Tesla. Looking real strong on Tesla. Up a full % here on Tesla.
Coach, MU, really, really positive to the upside. MU.
Okay, thank you.
2.76%.
Thank you. MU. Thank you. Tesla continuing to climb. I just sold 20 shares of Tesla. Just made $1,000.
Coach,
Already
remember,
made $100 on Tesla.
Thank you.
Coach, remember MU reported really good numbers.
Yes, I do. Yep. It's crank. Yeah, it's cranking. MU is cranking. I'm still holding 5 contracts of Tesla. It's just blasting off here. Beautiful moves on Tesla. Just glorious. I'm already up $1,000 for the day. It's 9:33. Nice, nice. Still moving up.
This is beautiful.
Yep, it's just stair-stepping nicely here on Tesla. Glorious. Tesla's still staying up there. I'm going to sell the rest just because I can't babysit this while I'm in here with all of you, but Tesla's still just looking nice. MU still up over 3%. Tesla, though, just climbing. Tesla dipped all the way down to 160 and the whole world was panicking and, oh, it's going to burn again. I mean, this thing has just been amazing for covered calls and cash secured puts. Am I right? It's just constantly giving you money every single week, and it's just been hovering around the same amount. Just keeps printing. Those of you that are holding a lot of Tesla shares, man, if you are not writing covered calls, ooh, I don't know what to tell you, but you better change that game. Just got the VIP Gold access. Congratulations to you. Who is that? Anthony. Nice job, Anthony. Head on over to any of our channels, and everybody is going to walk you through everything you need to know, where to go, what to do. Congratulations. Oh, Anthony just got the VIP Gold complete package. Nice, Anthony. You just got the whole enchilada. Moderators, do me a favor. Tag Anthony. Anthony, if you're watching, what I need you to do is click on Claim Perks. Oh, it looks like he did. He is Regulator. The name is Regulator. Moderators. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hopefully that'll be the best buying decision of your life. Thank you for taking advantage of that $500 off for your first year, Anthony. You got VIP Gold and VIP Gold Access. You have every product and service that we have available right now. You also have a free one-on-one with a moderator. That's a $500 value. You can get signed up for that. You'll see that inside of your email. You got workshop classes, the IPO Center, the 2-minute EWO indicators with TradingView. You've got all the videos on demand. You can get into early Zoom access at 4 a.m. You're going to be training with me starting every day at 8:15. VIP masterclass videos. You're going to get all of that. You got the whole package, baby. Welcome. That is awesome. Very nice. You get the news, the breakout rooms. I mean, you get everything.
Coach,
Masterclass. Go ahead. Thank you.
Apple New Low.
Thank you. You get the masterclass trainings. You get the workshop classes. I mean, it just goes on. You get everything, man. Throwing everything in the kitchen sink there at you. You get it all. GRWG, pot stock, moving to the upside. GRWG, moving up nicely here at 10%. Lucid as well.
Google, Apple, and Meta, and Microsoft, new low day.
Thank you. Lucid making a nice rebound, 15%. MU, nice call out on that MU too, by the way there, Ted. MU moving nicely to the upside, continuing to climb.
My friend Hamilton might be interested in that one.
Cancel.
I am already in it.
Thank you. MU looking nice.
First 2-minute green on NVIDIA.
Thank you. First 2-minute EWO on NVIDIA to the upside. Great call out. Coin, start watching for if we see this market going green. You guys definitely watching crypto, right? Coin, Riot, MSTR. Keep an eye on those. DWAC's going to get a nice pop, it looks like here now. Still can't believe that dropped almost 15% on Friday. I was like, these guys are clueless. You know how mad you'd be if you sold all that?
That's for sure. It looked like a lot of manipulation. I feel like some people were trying to get the share on a lower price.
Yeah, they were. Well, they were, trying to short
Yeah.
it. They're just trying to short it, but they're getting their faces ripped off today. MU continuing to climb. MU, look at Fubo. Great for small accounts. FUBO. Moving up nicely. Small accounts, $1.56. Starting to get nice volume over here in Fubo. If you got a small account, beautiful. PHUN, by the way, following with DWAC up 4%. NEO, of course, following with Tesla and Lucid to the upside. That's NEO. MSTR blasting off 8%, looking beautiful.
Microsoft, new low day. Google, new low day.
Thank you.
Microsoft is really going down hard.
All right, thank you. Microsoft crashing out.
Apple new low.
Thank you. Apple still crashing. Remember, we can make money up or down. Everybody be cool, right? Just know what to trade. It doesn't matter if the market's going up or the market's going down.
Coach, be careful with NVIDIA. It's not a 2-minute EWO because the second candle didn't succeed.
Gotcha. Okay, let me look. Yep, thank you. Good call out. Yeah, yep, thank you. So it hit the first 2-minute EWO, but if you guys look at it, if you look at it down here, the second candle, right, the second bar down here, it never got bigger than the first one. Does everybody see this? This is a great learning opportunity.
Tesla, new high.
Let me show you. Can everybody see my screen? This is why the second or third or fourth or fifth, one of them has to be larger than the first or the second, right? One of them has to be larger. Otherwise, we don't touch. And look at that. That's a perfect example of that never showed you get in. Does everybody see it? Okay, good. DWAC right here on a double top. That's DWAC.
I was just going to say, Coach, DWAC is on a tear.
Absolutely. If you guys remember, I talked about those being nice up until, right, August, September, October-ish. Remember? Yep. Yeah, you do.
I remember when we traded when it started.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, we were all in here, right?
Do you remember, Jimmy, how he was making DWAC on the channel? Like,
Yep.
oh my gosh.
He was trading DWAC W with it, I believe. Yeah, he
Both.
Yep. He was using DWAC W as the a heads up on what it was doing, remember? That was glorious.
Forward new high testing 13.
Thank you.
Coach, I know Nana said Google, but you really should look at it. It's like crashing out crazy.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's just dumpster fire. That Microsoft.
And Meta.
Yep.
They're being sued, Coach, by EU, Meta, Google, and someone else.
Apple.
Yeah, there's 4 of them and then going down.
Yeah, they're crashing hardcore. There goes DWAC.
No, it's another one plus Apple. Apple is last week.
Yeah, that's crazy. Look at DWAC, everybody. It's broke its double top. Everybody see it? There's a huge spread on the options, so please be careful if you guys are going to be buying DWAC options, okay? Because there is a really large spread here.
I'm not doing option on that one, just share.
Yep, same
too
here.
risky.
Yep, same. I'm just doing shares. Yeah, it's too much movement. That thing could crash. Somebody can come in here being silly. Yep, I won't be.
Meta and Microsoft new low dates. Oh my gosh.
Yep, it's continuing to crash.
Still Apple puts.
Yep. $42, by the way, is a huge level of resistance over here on DWAC.
Back in green on Lucid.
Thank you. Good call out on that. Let's see. GRWG continuing to climb. Did anybody get in on that when I called that earlier? No, still moving. It's up now 15%. Lucid continuing to climb, now 19%. MSTR, big pullback off of 42. I would be really careful now with crypto. Just be cautious on crypto land right here.
I think SPY is about to go down.
Okay, thank you. Let me look. Yeah, SPY is actually on support at 519.61 here, Nana.
Yeah, that's kind of what I meant. It's like, this looks like.
Yeah, only for a minute though. It looks like a breathe back. But if you guys look at our 2-minute EWO, SPY's on the bottom, Q's on the bottom. Apple already broke the bottom. Like it just looks like crash city, right, everybody?
Yeah.
If you guys are a VIP Gold or a VIP member, this is what you guys get to see. Let me flip my screen. Look at this. Now I've got 4 charts up with TradingView right here. But if you look at this, I can see right here, Apple's broke, SPY's on support, Q's around support, and NVIDIA's in the middle, and we don't diddle in the middle. Everybody see it?
You bet.
Yep.
Yeah, sure.
This is if you have VIP or VIP Gold, you all have access to all of this because you have to be a VIP member to get VIP Gold, by the way. So you have all of this at your fingertips. You know exactly what is going on all the time on any stock you want to know about. So if I want to change this over here to Google, here it is. Here's Google right here. You can see this is broken through support. You can see right here it stopped at 148.80. You can see it right here. You see where it says low. I mean, you get all of this. By the way, I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but this will help you, right? Don't just trade based off of this, but this will help you to go along with our training. And this will give you another level of confidence in what to do out here. So if you guys look at GRWG, look at this on the 2-minute EWO indicators on our screen. There's the refresh. Look at this monster, right? This is the green monster. Get it? Get it on my pot smokers. Green monster, get it? Yeah, you do. I'll be here all week. Well, I won't be here tomorrow, but you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you do. All right. Looking nice.
Yeah. SMCI a day seems to be resurrecting itself. It's over $1,000 level.
SMCI, yep, looking real good. Good call out on that. SMCI. Yeah, it's looking really good. Same thing there, though. Let me check the spreads on that. Are they ridiculous, too? That thing's been crazy spreads.
It's just like $1 today.
Oh, is it? Okay. Oh, yep. Yeah, it's actually probably the lowest I've seen it just because it started to consolidate. Yeah, it's probably the lowest I've seen that in a while.
Oddly, it's within shouting distance of the levels that it dropped after they did that $2 million issuance.
Right.
Yeah, 2 million share incidents.
Apple back at VWAP testing resistance.
All right, thank you.
Amazon on double top.
Nvidia now entering a much stronger 2-minute EWO to the upside.
Thank you. Look at that SMCI pop right there. Look at that. Whew. I'll take it. Just a quick scalp off of that. Good call on that. I'm up $1,144 for the day off the small account. Nice job. Look at the cues. Now, this is what I was talking about. And Nana, I told you, right, that looked like that was support there.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Now, this is what I want to show you guys. Again, if you are a VIP member, I would have just saved your asses, right? Big time. Because this is support. This is support. This was support. Do you guys see this? Massive. So while the whole world's like, just continue to crash, I'm like, no. Does that make sense, everybody? Look at what this would have done for you. This right here is a $10,000 to $50,000 move, depending on how many contracts you had. If you would have been all in on puts, you just got your face ripped off. Tell me the VIP membership isn't worth it. I'll wait. Thank you. Thank you, Easter Bunny. Bog. Don't forget to use the Easter 500 discount code to take $500 off your first year.
Coach, up 5%.
Nice. Nicey nice. Very nice. Very nice.
I think you just saved their butts anyway, Coach.
Yeah. Did I save somebody's butt? Was somebody trying to get in on that, thinking it was going to crash forever? And then I told you hit the brakes. Did I save anybody?
I wasn't looking to get in on it. I was looking at it, and I was saying, well, if somebody was looking to get into it, you just saved their butt.
Oh yeah, massively. Yeah.
Just go.
I did. Okay, good. Good to good.
NVIDIA again.
There goes NVIDIA.
Thank you. Is it ripping?
It is.
Yep. Oh yeah. NVIDIA broke that double top up here at 947. Beautiful. Yeah, that's nice. Let's take a look at it in the 2-minute. All right, 2-minute EWO. You got a green light on it now. You see the difference, everyone?
960, Coach. 960.
Yep. Everybody see the difference on NVIDIA on the 2-minute EWO here, though, yes?
Yes. And NVDL for small accounts, the contracts are much more affordable.
Oh, there you go. Check out Soxel. How is Soxel looking? Anybody? Here, let me pull it up on this. For small accounts. Yeah, Soxel, identical to NVIDIA. Everybody see it? I mean, it's identical. Look at these charts. See the 1 minute to 1 minute? NVIDIA on the left, Soxel on the right. Look at these charts. Is that glorious or what?
It most certainly is.
Yep. So if you have a small account, right, and you're like, oh, that's too big, Coach. Well, check it out. That's a great setup for you. NVIDIA on its third 2-minute EWO. There's a nice pop. Holy germoly. Wow. I'll take that right there. Just sold. That's $300 profit. Off of, I entered off the 2-minute EWO, by the way, and scalped it because I can't sit here all day with it because I'm training you. But small account is now $1,400. And it is now $951. By the way, don't forget, sign up for our How to Grow a Small Account Mastermind class if you go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. It's out there right now. $199 will get you a 90-minute class, full Q&A, coming up on June 5th. Make sure you guys check it out. This is part 2. If you want to get part 1, it is available for download now. Go to our store, AmericanDreamTrading.com. You will see how to grow a small account. The very first one, you can download that. I'm telling you right now, get your butts over there and get the first video. Is it worth its money? Anybody in here who took the first mastermind class, how to grow a small account, is it worth the money? Open your mics.
Yes,
Absolutely.
Thank you.
It's worth its weight in gold.
Thank you.
Absolutely, coach.
Thank you to 6 paid actors. I thank all 6 of you. There was 250 people in that class, by the way. And I think we've sold 275 copies of that.
Hey, for whoever was trading NVDL contracts, if you're doing that, just be careful because the open interest and volume on some of those is super low, and you can get burned on that.
All right,
Thank you, sir. Yep, got in and out. Appreciate it.
Nice, nice. NVIDIA continuing to run here, looking really nice. Soxel doing the exact same thing. I mean, these are a copycat trade, right? That's what's nice. So always look for those smaller ones. Moderators, if anybody joins the VIP gold or VIP membership, let me know so we can announce them live. Lucid continuing to climb. Excuse me, Lucid 19%. GRWG pulling back. Still at 11%. MSTR still a rocket ship. Did anybody get in on MSTR? 10% now.
Oh, yeah.
Nice, nice.
SMCI just hit the 5% mark, coach.
Oh, nice. Yeah, just a rocket ship on that.
Coach, can you look at Amazon, please?
Yep.
ARM2 forming a cup and handle. It's up 5.5%.
Amazon, thank you. Amazon's looking great. Nana, the only thing I would be watching for with this now is around this 179 range. Let me see what's on the L2. I don't see anything over there. All I see is buyers. Oh, it already broke it. Yeah, all I see are buyers in here, Nana.
Cool. All right. I
Yep.
had to stop on it, so I'm just going to let it run.
No, it looks great. I mean, let me see. 179.50 will be the next level, but it's so small. There it is, 179.30. Tons of sellers came in. You guys see it? 179.30. They just dropped a bomb. Look at it right there. Look at the L2, you guys. 20,000 sell.
Amazon plays in this channel, so yeah.
Yeah. That's why I said this 179, 28 to 30, right? This is going to be a big, big, big deal, right? And not luckily, you guys all know what the hell you're doing, but we know this from experience. Look at that, bought out. That was bought out. That 179.30 was bought out. She's going to be a ripper now. Go, go, go. Angela just signed up for the VIP Gold membership. Congratulations. Thank you. Our very own Arlo just let me know about that. Part of our onboarding welcoming committee. By the way, I hope you guys are enjoying that. Every single week, we have an onboarding class. It is a live class for all of you. If you're interested in what's going on, you guys can join in on that. It's literally open mic. You can ask questions. We'll show you exactly where to go, what time, what's happening, all of that. Every single week, we do that. So make sure you guys watch. We have that up in the events area. So if you guys are new to our Discord or new to us, just join in. Arlo and Miranda doing a great job over there helping you guys get situated and helping you everywhere you need to go. By the way, we have tons of moderators standing by to help you out anywhere to get you to where you need to go. Don't forget, discount code Easter500. Lucid still up here in the clouds at 19%. MSTR has not stopped. It just keeps climbing. NVIDIA, if you guys traded on the 2-minute EWO, which I said was a go, 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 you're all making a lot of money. Anybody making money on NVIDIA?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
I am.
Thank you. Thank you. SPY up here on this double top. Look for this pullback here on SPY. Look at this double top. 520.33-ish. See this? Oh, yeah. I want to show you guys something here, too. VIP members get this every single day. But if you, again, this is just something you should be watching for. Look at this. You guys see this green level? That's showing you resistance. And look at exactly what it's doing on resistance. Everybody see it? Support. Support. Broke through resistance. Hasta la vista, baby. Everybody see all these?
Yes, sir.
These are massive, massive helpers for the psyche. Look at MSTR. New high a day. MSTR continuing to crank. 11% to the upside. MSTR.
NVIDIA, new high of day, coach.
Thank you. NVIDIA, new high a day. 2-minute EWOers, you are getting super paid. Let's get that money train out for you right now. Nice job, everybody. CVS Frog says, is it DWAC or DWAC? It's really whatever you want to say. It's kind of like VWAP, right? VWAP or VWAP, whatever you want to call it. Knock yourself out.
Nobody says VWAP. Come on.
Yeah. So whatever floats your boat, man. Seriously.
Unless you're from Minnesota.
Yeah.
Hey.
I have heard it.
That's awesome. I have too. I've heard it every different way. Don't matter to me. Whatever you want to call it, I don't care as long as you know what we're talking about. GRWG right here. GRWG up here on this double top. Getting ready to blast off right here. GRWG. Continuing to make new highs. This is just beautiful over here. That is GRWG. Just, she's a ripper. Pop, there it goes. Looking nice. That is GRWG. There it goes. I'll take it. That's $50. Thank you. Why not? That just bought breakfast. Thank you, Easter Bunny. Bok, bok.
20 seconds to chip change.
Oh, thank you. 5 seconds to shift change. Get ready. Volume is about to increase across the board. Here we go. Shift change now. GRWG. Did anybody get in on this, by the way? I called this when it was $2.40. It's now up here at $2.64, moving up nicely. MSTR continuing to climb.
Amazon, your high.
Thank you. Riot also climbing. I told you guys to pay attention. I said as long as this the regular market continues to climb to the upside, crypto will jam, which it is. Very nice, very nice.
Amazon is going for it.
Yes.
Woo!
Nice. SMCI. I know Ted's super excited about that. Look at that, Ted. She's getting ready to make new high day.
Yes, she is, coach.
Woo! Amazon, new high a day, looking good.
Look at MU.
Yep, MU, high a day. Lots of good stocks out here. Been calling them all morning long. All you got to do is listen to the sound of my voice. And everybody that's in the room that's helping out. Thank you guys so much. You guys are doing such a great job.
You have issues, dude. Are you okay, coach?
I bet you love talking into the fan.
I do sometimes, right? It's because I got all these speakers next to me, so it's like ultra fun.
You wonder why sometimes people don't buy anything.
SMCI, new high a day right there. SMCI, new
Coach,
high.
can you take a peek at Tesla?
Will do.
Please.
Yep, absolutely. Tesla to the downside here. Big time Tesla to the downside. Be careful. Yeah, that's below VWAP. Yeah, that's
Well, thank you for letting me know that I should have stayed in Amazon because it's pretty
Yeah, that's nice. Let me pull up Tesla over here on my 2-minute EWO indicators for trading view. Let me see what it looks like. Hold on.
Mara, no Ohio Day.
Thank you. Mara, new high a day. MSTR still holding up nicely. Yeah, Tesla's in the middle here, but it is below VWAP. But it's in the middle of our previous setup. So this one is sketchy over here on Tesla. But again, trade the trades, right? It's to the downside. The only thing, this is what's weird. So this is a bull flag on Tesla. Let me show you guys. Right? So this is actually, believe it or not.
Hello?
What in the world? Hello? Hello?
I wanted to talk to you.
Hello? Is this thing on?
New York Echo.
What in the world? This is the channel that Tesla's in. Everybody see this? This is what we're looking at right here. Now, the weird thing with Tesla is, even though this is pulling to the downside, right? If you look at this massive downside, it's tough because we're in the middle of what this is doing, right? So this either wants to pull back to where it came from, or this wants to make a move back up here to VWAP. Yeah, right here. This is support around 171. And I got this from Friday. Everybody see this right here? This is going to be support. If it finds support, this is where it's going to be. So if we are trading this, we'd want it. This is a gold level. Everybody see this? So this should be, yep, here they come. I can see 171.80 starting to get some build up. Support at 171.41 right here, 40. So around this gold level, this should be support. If Tesla's going to find support, this is where it's going to be. And why does that matter? Because if we're looking at entering this trade, you have to know these levels. You cannot just jump in here guessing, oh, it's going down, so I'm just going to go down. That's not how this works. You got to know all these levels, right?
Coach, just scalp 58% off of MU. I'm out.
There you go. Right here, though.
Thank you, Ted.
Thank you, Easter Bunny. Bok, bok.
Bok, bok.
Bok, bok.
So we have a pennant, huh?
Yeah, I mean, look at this. It's right here. SPY's pulling a little bit, hanging on VWAP. Just like this. If Tesla can't hold this gold level, lights out. But if it does, if this stays above this gold level, you're going back to VWAP, most likely, right? That's what it will try to do. So, if you, since you don't know, wouldn't this be a great area for a straddle, everybody? Yeah, it would. Why? Because you're going to get either a major pop or a major drop. So wasn't this a great straddle area? Straddle. That is a call and a put. Same strike price. Same expiration. We'll just put an E. Okay. And then you're going to have a stop here for your call, and you'll have a stop right up here, right, for your put or wherever you want it, right? I'm just kind of showing you guys what it looks like. This is what it would look like. Now you're set up for success both ways. If it rips to the downside, your calls will get stopped out. Your puts will start printing. If it rips to the upside, your puts will get stopped out and your call will start printing. Does it make sense, everybody?
Yeah, Coach, it does.
Yep. That is a perfect spot on this gold level for a straddle. I mean, that is just set up for success because you're either going to get a major run back up or you're just going to drop straight to hell. And you want volatility on a straddle. You get paid on volatility. Look at how heavy this is. So right there, bang, call, put. See which one takes over? Print, baby. Richard, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
New home sales figures came out now. They are down, and not only were they down, volume of available homes is up, and the buyers are not only buying down the interest rate, but they've lowered the cost of the homes 7%. That's huge. Or not lower the cost, but 7% of them is down.
Wow, that's
It's
wild.
not good news.
Yeah. Well, no,
Good for the
that is good news. Yeah, that's actually good news.
Yeah, it's actually good news. Yeah.
Yeah, that's good for
That's
inflation.
great for cutting rates.
Well, that's true.
Yeah. Yeah, because if that's the case, then they could actually cut rates, right?
Yeah.
So that should be good news. I mean, in our reverse world, because when in the hell is losing value supposed to be good? But guess what? In the situation we're in right now, when you lose money and you lose jobs and you lose all your money, that's really good for the market.
Well, what you'll do is you'll stay home and Netflix and chill.
I guess.
Because Netflix is on its 2-minute EWO and it's a 6-star trade.
There you go. And there goes SPY popping off. That means watch crypto. What did I say, right? Crypto's going to launch.
Nvidia and Amazon new high.
Thank you.
Boom chakalaka.
Yep. Just like that.
It's about to enter into its 2-minute EWO.
All right.
Bargains galore.
Thank you. Bargains galore.
Coach, TikTok's down 80T.
Oh, crap. Thank you. Oh, crap. Both are. Wow. Okay. I wish they would stop doing that.
Actually, both of them are down.
Yeah. I wish, for all that is holy, can they stop playing games? All right. Should be going live now. Jeez, oh, Pete's. There's your Tesla around this gold level. See what it wants to do. SPY up here on resistance. SPY is up on resistance.
Amazon has been glorious, coach. Holy cow.
Thank you. SPY up here on resistance. The Qs, same thing. The Qs are up on resistance here. SPY, watch for a pullback on this range. Be careful. We'll see. It's up on resistance. See if it can retest or if it's just going to go. Oh, SPY is still going, man. It's okay. Well, I guess there is no retest. SPY gone. SPY is breaking through resistance. VIP members, take a look at your trading view indicators. Do you see what I'm talking about? All VIP members, look at your trading view indicators. Look at where SPY is. Look at the green line. You all see it? Do you see how dangerous that spot is for an entry? Yeah, you do. So you're being.
Are you talking about the cloud green line, coach?
That is correct. That is the upper band of where SPY was, right? But it broke it and it's running.
Coach, in Meta, first 2-minute EWO candle, another very nice trade.
Okay, thank you.
Coach, look at Amazon. They just shoot through the roof. I mean, I think it's going crazy.
Yep, SPY is too. Look at SPY go.
Oh, wow.
That's nice. I'll take it. Just made $600 off SPY. Now up $2,021 for the day. Nope, 1918. Damn it, they took a little bit back. You sons of 1900. It ain't even worth showing up for $1,900. I'm out. Everybody have a good day. Stupid.
Meta watch for double top.
Look at SPY. It broke through that. Broke through that resistance. That means hasta la vista, baby. Go, 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 go. Look at Tesla. If you are sitting on that straddle, you're in a great place because you're looking for either the drop or the pop here, right? Give this some room. Stop here. Stop here. I'll mark them. It should basically look like this. Everybody see this? You got to have a stop both ends. Let it work. It's going to decide because it's either going to come down here to the 200 or it's going to move up to VWAP. Does everybody see it? Yeah, you do. Look at Tesla crashing out. Hopefully this makes sense to you. If those of you that are just tuning in or you don't know what I'm talking about, don't worry. We talk about these all the time. They're a great trade when you're sitting at an unknown position with lots of room to move because you want volatility with a straddle or a strangle. Qs are now up above resistance, looking nice. MSTR is now up almost 13%. If you guys got in on this when I called this earlier, you're rich. You're ultra rich.
Amazon new high.
Thank you. Because this has moved.
House change.
Yeah, this has moved almost $70 since I called MSTR continuing to run. $70. Coin new high a day.
Reddit on the up.
Thank
Reddit
you.
on the up.
Thank
So
you.
the vice president.
Meta.
Is Meta still climbing? Yep.
Coach, TSM is making a nice move to the upside now.
TSM.
Taiwan Semiconductors.
Got it. Okay, thank you. Yeah, you're up on a double top. There's so many other things, though, partner. I'd be watching over something like that. Seriously. I mean, if you like it, that's great. But, I mean, you've got these other stocks running 8 to 15%, right? And this thing's barely moving.
Meta also is a double top.
Thank you. All right, let's take a peek. But hey, partner, if you love it, nothing wrong with it, right? I'm just saying, when you guys start looking at stuff like that, that's only moving 0.2%, I would highly recommend check something else out. You know what I'm saying?
Conditions on ships right now.
Yep. But hopefully you guys know what I'm saying, right? Not picking on you. I'm just saying, hey man, there's so much.
I follow you, Coach.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, thank you. I'm just saying there's so much more.
Great long-term trade just because of NVIDIA's dependence on TSM.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, that could definitely.
Yeah, that's what I have as a long-term trade on that one.
I got you. Thank you. Thank you.
Hey,
All right.
Coach, the screens on TikTok just need to be flipped. That's all.
Thank you. Appreciate that. There we go. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate that. Yay. All right. Rivian is down today. Come on now. By the way, picking up our new vehicle tomorrow. Very excited. My wife will have her very own car. We'll be a 2-car household again. We haven't done that in years. I mean, years we have not had 2 cars.
Congratulations.
Thank you, man. That's going to be crazy. 2 whole vehicles.
What car are you getting?
I bought her the Rivian R1S.
Very nice.
Yes, it's yeah.
You.
Yep.
Venturing out of Tesla.
Yep.
Club.
Yep. Well,
Did you have to order it? Or is she already driving it?
No. I had to. Yeah, I had to special order it, but it's gonna be here. It's supposed to be here tomorrow.
Oh, cool.
Yep. I got one that was in stock. It's got 850 horse. 0 to 60 in 3 seconds. 7-seater, all electric vehicle. Supposed to be one of the best cars ever made. Ranked the highest across the board for safety and all this other stuff. So, yeah. And it's like 7,000 pounds of pure
like a
goodness.
tank.
It is. I am very excited for her and for me when I get to drive it too.
I knew you were gonna say that.
How much horsepower you said it had, Coach?
How many? I think it's 850 horsepower.
Wow,
Yeah,
that's a lot for the street.
Yeah, it's a quad. I mean, it's not as fast as my car. I mean, come on. It's not as fast as Daddy's car, but it's fast enough. It's faster than a Lamborghini, Ferrari. Yeah, it's faster than a Porsche, and it's an SUV. Yep. Why not? Why not, right?
Long hair don't care.
Yep, long hair don't care. That's for you haters.
Oh, speaking of which, I got a hater video that I'm doing of you
Oh boy, haterade.
bashing some haters.
I can't release it, but yeah, send it to me. I'll love it.
Okay.
Yeah. I give them no credit anywhere. I don't give two shits about these hater clowns.
It's actually not that bad. It's more of the I'm a trainer, not so much as much as a trade. I'm paid to train, that type of thing. You might be able to release it.
All right, I got you.
Don't give them oxygen.
Yeah, I don't. They're getting 0. These turds get 0. All right, so right here, MSTR popping off. Take a peek. MSTR. It's very nice. By the way, Don, this is the car right here, Don. You ready? This is what we're getting. It's just we got a couple more things on it, but this is it right here. Can you guys see it?
Yeah, that's sweet.
Yeah. Oh yeah, Daddy. Bam! Oh, it's got a different interior too. Hers is yeah, hers is completely different interior.
It's not that gray.
No, it's a white and all black wood interior.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's straight ass G. Hold on, I didn't even see that as an option in here. Or was it? Yeah, quad, large, paint, wheels, terrain. Oh, this is it. Here it is. This is the interior. Here we go. This is what it looks like on the inside. Hold on. Yeah, right there. See it?
Oh, it looks like a shuttlecraft.
Yep, it'll look like that. And look at that.
Oh, nice.
That's gorgeous.
Yeah, it's a 7-foot bed in this when you fold the seats down. 7 feet clearance all the way through the back. It's more than the Hummer. It's more than, well, it's more than all of them. It's got a larger bed than the new Cybertruck.
Wow.
Bigger towing capacity.
You need that space for the grandchildren?
Yeah. Well, we need that space because my wife just likes big cars. And honestly, for me, I'm okay with it because the bigger the car, the safer the vehicle, right? So, so I'm completely fine. The heavier and bigger the vehicle, the safer you are. So if this would have been 30,000 pounds, I would have did it to protect my wife. You know what I mean?
Yep.
So,
Hey, Coach, you should have checked out the Yang Wang U8.
yeah, I saw it.
Beautiful.
Yeah, we were looking at this, the G-Wagon, the GMC Hummer EV. Those were like the big ones, right? This one just kind of fit all. This one had everything you could want, though.
Coach, guess what?
MSTR new high day?
With Amazon, yes.
Okay, thank you. Nice.
Coach,
go ahead.
Chicken butt.
Oh, yeah, guess what? Chicken butt?
No, you didn't. No, you did not.
Yeah, he did.
He did it. Yes, he did.
Well, my nephews and nieces were always over. They'd always do that crap. Guess what? Chicken butt.
Jen's little sister, all through Thanksgiving, every 5 minutes, we got hit with it.
Exactly.
Those are also fucking weird. You're killing me.
Coin. Look at Coin. New high a day. Anybody in Coin? Holy crap. Look at Coin. What in the what? Okay.
Bitcoin, Coach.
Yep.
200 by 6
Coach, just to let you know, crypto hit a low on Friday of 62,000 on Bitcoin.
Yep.
And is at 69,000 right now. Just clicked over 69,000.
Yep, it's up 3%. So, if only there were one place, just one, that you could have gone to, right? That said that crypto would be rocketing till the halving. Yes? I wonder.
Absolutely.
What the haven't hasn't even started yet, and it's rocketing.
Oh, I agree. And we're not even in the halving yet.
No, and it's rocketing. It's all because of the ETF buying.
Yep, it's all because they all watch American Dream Trading, and months
You got
ago, right before the crypto kitties were awake from their little slumbers. And now you see them all over the place again. Like, we're awake, we're here, right? We had to like rustle them and get them out of the sleeping bags. Time to get up, little kids. Come on. Time to get up, little kitties. Get up. Start talking crypto again. And now they're here. Now they're here. Now that's all you're hearing about again. When they've been dormant for a year and a half. Welcome back. Holy crap. We got a lot of viewers on here today. Nice. Good to see you all.
Hey, Coach, look,
Yep.
on its 2-minute EWO, and Amazon over 180 is a pretty significant milestone.
Okay, thank you. Nice, nice. Everything rocket shipping. MSTR now at 1750. We called it out around 1660. So you've got almost $100 move. So if you bought 10 contracts of MSTR, you're now up $40,000. Congratulations. All right. Anybody making any money today? Has anybody made any money today? Open your mics. Let the world know. Go ahead.
Yes.
Yes.
Up 2,000 on the day, Coach.
Yes. Nice job.
$736 on the Netflix 6-star trade.
Nice.
Nice. Sorry, I was getting some water. Nice job. Nice, nice. Where's Marky Mark and the Funky Bunch? What are you up, Mark? 8 million today?
46,357 bucks.
47,000. Forget about it. Just another day at the office. By the way, Mark has now made, what did you say this morning? How much have you made since
I'm almost to 4 million. I'm about 33,000 from 4 million.
$4 million since joining us in August. $4 million since joining us in August. Ding! Very nice. Nice
You
job.
are now to walk around the cabin.
That's right. You are now free to enjoy the rest of your life. By the way, we are closing in, just so everybody knows, on $100 million in profit. We are really close to $100 million in profit, which is crazy. I've been here a year. It'll be a year and 8 months next week. $100 million in profits. I bet you will never hear those words out of another group's mouth ever in the history of their company. Ever.
All those creators, they make it so complicated also. It's just like, so stupid.
What pill did you take?
With you dumb it down like so well at the same time. It's like you have a couple of strategies, you stick to it, you follow the rule, and it works.
Yep.
It just work.
What do you know? It's very nice.
He needs to give us some of that.
I know. I'm hyped. I'm ready to go, man. I got, I think I'm just excited.
Netflix new high day.
I'm excited, right? We got a 4-day work week. My kid, by the way, is getting some cool award here at the Air Force. So I'm really excited about that. So Thursday, we're doing a big banquet dinner. And he's the MC for it, which is really cool. I'm really excited for the kid. So I'm geeked up. Get to hang out with him and his the whole crew. There's like 26 members or 16. I don't know. I think he said 16. Maybe it's 16 or 17 people that are going to be at this thing. Coin, by the way, getting ready to rocket ship again.
Coach, is he like you and your dad with the personality thing?
Yeah, he's more reserved. He's always been more reserved.
Okay.
Yeah, but yeah.
New high on Mara.
Thank you. But he's he's always, he's more upfront. He was a quarterback his whole life. You know what I mean? Like he has to be the voice. He has to talk. He has to be out in the front. But he's not a wild and crazy man like his dad.
How many
Coin.
kids do you have? Just your son?
Well, I have a daughter too from a previous relationship, but
Okay.
yeah. Coin almost 10% right here. Like I said, all crypto rocket shipping, right? Following the market that has been blowing up. So coin 10%, MSTR 15%, Mara 7.5%, Riot 7%, right? All of these super, super runners. This is why I was saying if the market goes up, watch for crypto to follow, right? Yeah, Ethereum is up almost 3%. Doge, if anybody's into Dogecoin, you guys are up 4%. Right? Just glorious, glorious, glorious stuff. Let me take a look. If anybody's VIP members, you guys are going to love all of those special stocks that we trade over there today, right? Look at those monsters today. Those are all looking nice. Everything green. Almost everything green. Obviously, Apple is down, right? Google is down. And that's about it. Oh, and AMD is only down 0.17%. Other than that, it's looking real nice. Looking real nice. Nice. You guys know what I'm talking about, right? VIP members? Okay, good.
Yeah.
Good.
Read it almost $6 today.
Yeah, that's nice. Look at coin. Oh my gosh, this thing. Coin is just a beast. Just a beast today, right? Look at this. Now, what makes it even better, this is what's crazy about coin. All right. The dollar amount is so high. Think about it. Coin is up here right at $280. So the simple fact that it takes so much to move coin at $280. Here's the other thing that's crazy. You're talking about a free flow of 184 million shares out there being traded. This isn't a low float stock moving to get this, right? 9.5% today. We're talking about 184 million shares are outstanding, and it's moving at this kind of rate at $280. This is crazy talk. That is a lot of movement. The volume, 4.5 million volume on this thing, all to the upside today. It's literally been all to the upside. Now, I will caution all of you. Again, it is my job. This is a 4-day work week. 4 days in the stock market, right? There's only 4 days you can trade. There is no trading on Friday. Okay? The market will get volatile the closer we get to the end of the week. If any of you guys are writing covered calls or cash secured puts, you get to use this to your advantage, though, for Friday, because that's an extra day that will be gone. All right. So if let's say you have an expiration of Friday for a covered call, well, guess what? Thursday is your actual expiration because there is no market on Friday. So on Monday, you're going to wake up, right? So there's only 4 days. So you're going to get an extra day, right? It's like time decay got sped up by 20% because that's what the day is missing, a whole day. So, but I'll caution everybody again, please make sure you're collecting your profits. Make sure you're shedding when you're supposed to. 50%, 20%, 20%, 10%. If you only have one option or shares or whatever you're doing, make sure you move those stops up. But everybody be cool. All right. I don't want anybody having grand ideas, right? Of ideas of grandeur, like this is going to go to $1 million and get FOMO, and then you're not collecting your money and you're not doing what you're supposed to. Don't do that. Collect as it's going up. Take your money, right? So we just have little bits in there, and then it can just run all day. And if it comes against us, there's no harm. It doesn't do anything, right? Until it eventually becomes a free trade. And then you can allow it to do what you're supposed to do. Remember, if you're a newer trader, you should be trading shares, not options. Options are just too complicated, right? By the time you get into gamma, from the candles blasting up or shooting down and they go against you, to time decay, where, right, every day they're worth less and less and less. And if you don't understand that and you don't know that, you're just going to lose your money. So please, if you're a newer trader or you don't understand yet, shares, just stay with shares, right? You can see we're making so much money off of shares. You don't have to trade options. Obviously, there are ways to take advantage of that. By the way, when we get into the how to grow small accounts part 2, I'm going to show you some other ways that you guys can take advantage of growing accounts that are smaller. So make sure you guys check that out. You can sign up for the class. You do not have to be a member, by the way, to get that mastermind class coming up on June 5th. And if you can't make it, it is recorded, so you can watch the recording. So you don't have to be there. But seriously, collect like you're supposed to. Trade the trades you're supposed to. Nobody, like today, if the housing market would have came back with bad information for the market, this would have crashed. This would have tanked the market today. Right? It was already red as hell this morning. This thing would be dumpster, right?
Yeah, or you're an AMD thinking, hey, things are up and to the right.
That's right. So this is why I don't want anybody, like, oh, I think it's going to do this. That is dangerous, by the way. That is so dangerous to put that out there. Trade the trades and what's going on. Don't ever, oh, I think this is going to get, nope, we don't do that. Don't do that at all. Trade the trades every single day. Your coin is losing now. No, coin is not losing now. Coin is pulling back, if that was the exact terminology you were looking for. Somebody said coin is what were your coin? The words were your coin is losing. No, we call that a pullback on a 10% move.
Yeah, coach, your coin.
Your coin, coach, is only up 10%, you loser.
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 You can't do it.
Come on. Stop the madness. Everybody be cool. Everybody be cool. So let's do this. Make sure everybody posts your profits and loss today. We're going to make sure we read those. DT, are you in here by chance? I have not heard her sweet angelic voice. Are you in here?
Yes, go.
Stop it. You stop it. I do not hear her, but we will read out those profits and loss today before I take off. So make sure you guys are posting that right now. Real
Coach,
quick.
what about that giveaway that we're holding up on Friday?
Yeah, great idea. Josh, are you in here?
Josh had to go to work, coach,
Oh, okay.
but he's in ticket number 1915. I tagged you in it.
Okay, was it for the giveaway?
Correct.
Okay, perfect. All right, we won't do that today. I want him to be here because he's the one donating it. So we won't do it. But yeah, thank you. See, we're gonna do it. It's not my fault this time, Josh. Love your face, buddy. But we will do a giveaway this week. We will do a giveaway this week, and we'll let you guys know how we're gonna do it. Yeah, go ahead.
Just a shout out to that Trading View indicator that you get with the VIP membership.
Yes.
Every single stock that has been in an EWO today has been just glorious, up and over. And it just gives you this sense of calm when you're in these trades. You don't panic at all. You just sit there and you write out those suckers.
Yep.
Look at MU on how it behaved on the
yeah, let me look.
Indicators. You look at SMCI, you look at Netflix, you look at SPY, and everything is just to stay in the trade.
It really is. And the ones that are tricky, if you guys look at the SPY here, the ones that are tricky, hold on. Like right here, it shows you that too, because look.
Yeah.
There's support.
Combination, right?
Yep.
You don't.
I mean, look at this. So the ones that were tricky, it's showing you just like this. It's showing you all day down, this all day up, right? up. I mean,
This is like a video game, Coach.
It really is. It really is. Ted, you rely on these quite a bit. You use these quite a bit, right?
Oh, EWOs to the moon, man.
Yeah, absolutely. I know, and everybody's always like, I don't like EWs. Like, oh my gosh, they're gold. They're just
The only thing I'll add is having the 9 nowadays.
Yes,
is even better because you take those 9s, and that seems to be a point of resistance now more and more with a lot of these traders. So it might dip down to the 9, but if it hugs the 9, there's a good chance it'll go back up.
Yeah, and the 9 is what we use, by the way, for day trading. So that's yep. The 9 is what you look at for day trading. But the 2-minute EWO, man, you get in these things and right, it's just print.
It's glorious, especially on a day like today. It's on a bull day.
Oh yeah, just set it and forget it, right?
Exactly.
I was looking at a lot of charts this weekend. As soon as that 9 crosses the 21, that's the start of a new EWO. Eric turned us on to that too.
Right.
Yep. And that's when you get the 6-star trade.
Yep. Well, and just remember the most important, right, is that 21 over 55. That's the
once that is you're golden.
That is the most important out of all of them. The 9 is great though on a quick day trade, right? If you're trying to quick scalp things, the 9 is great for that.
Yeah, I only use it as a kind of a resistance line to watch for, and that's that first line of defense.
Correct. Yeah, exactly. Is it going to continue right here or not? Yeah, it's fast. Yeah. It's fast, right? That's what it's for. It's really fast. Yep. Absolutely. Ted, you must be doing pretty well. Ted, how much are you up since, what was it, October you turned the corner?
About day. I've got to start increasing my bets. We were talking about this last week, is that I spread my bets out on multiple trades.
Yeah, trades, not bets. Don't say bets. Bets are for gamblers.
I'm up about 320 on the year.
320,000 this year. How much so far? Because you turned the corner in like October, right?
Oh yeah.
Because that's the real number.
I look at that, but it's close to 500,000 now.
$500,000. I like your story though, Ted, because it took so long, and that happens. That happens, right? So, I mean, Ted, if you would have gave up, did you imagine, seriously, if you would have gave up, took that job?
I'd be sucking my soul. I mean, it would be so miserable.
And you know what's crazy? This is what's crazy when you look at it through the lens now of where you're at, right? $500,000. So right now you are now 3 times more than the average household American has at full retirement setting in an account. Okay. Which is about $160,000 is what the average American will retire with. Ted has $500,000. He's been with us for a little over, about a year and a half now, Ted?
Yeah.
Year and a half. Okay. In the first, 10 months you struggled, or a year?
Oh, yeah.
I mean, think about that. 10 months to a year, struggling the whole time. Like, maybe this isn't for me. I'm not going to be here. This isn't going to be my jam anymore. This is going to be tough. I can't do it. Looking at a day job. If Ted would have stopped, this is that perfect picture where you see the guy pushing the boulder up the hill, right? Pushing and pushing and pushing, and then you give up. But literally all it took was one more nudge and you're golden, right? Think about that. Ted, if you would have left 2 weeks before you started to turn the corner, right now you wouldn't be here. You'd be making way less money, working all day, every day again, answering to someone else, not having any freedom. You sure the hell wouldn't be going to Super Bowls and shit, right?
Right. And, Coach, I was thinking about it. I was starting to get some success because I was, last year, some people may remember that I went traveling Route 66.
Yep, I remember.
And that's when I learned that I could trade and basically fund my vacation every morning.
Yep. Which is awesome.
I mean, and that's the trippy thing is you want to go to the Super Bowl, well, you got to earn it, right?
That's right. But It's just so wild if you guys think about that. It's just that you got to be determined and you got to go for it. You got to keep going. There is no quit. If you quit on yourself at anything, you will never be successful. I don't care. Let's put it this way. Would you guys rather struggle doing this for 10 years, but then 10 years in a month, you now never work again and you have found something you can be good at the rest of your life? Or would you rather stay doing the same grind that you are for the next 10 years, hoping to get your 1 to 3% corporate raise while everybody's getting fired and laid off, by the way, right now, and having no such thing as job security? Which one would you rather do? Because I see so many people, they'll just quit. They'll just stop. They won't follow any rules. They'll blow up their accounts. I'm not made for this. I can't do this anymore. This isn't for me. Follow the rules. Number one. Stop using real money. Number two, until you're good at this. And number three, you don't get to quit. Stop quitting. You're only ruining your own life.
Yeah.
Right?
It's not just the video game here. It's coach's rules.
It is.
Right? Coach, every once in a while we all deviate. We all make mistakes. So I made a mistake with SMCI.
Yep.
I had no idea they're going to do that overnight thing. Right?
Right.
But one thing I learned in my experience is that if you're in a bad trade and you have the time, you're really never, it's never like as bad. I mean, you taught me that with Tesla, right?
That's
you
right.
were talking about that, oh my God, it went down 10 or 12% in one day.
Right.
And everybody was like wringing their hands. And you're
Freaking
like,
out. Yeah.
it takes 2 or 3% a day.
Right.
So as long as you have time on your side, as long as you're not getting so greedy that you have a really short time horizon,
That's right.
you can ride out these situations. And so I doubled down. I bought back in.
Yep.
I saw that SMCI that the ice wasn't so soft anymore, right?
Yep.
That it had a certain base.
That's right.
And it's all based on your rules.
That's
And I've learned that before is don't sell on those stinker trades.
Yep.
Let them decide what they're going to do, and then you can decide what to do. But when you emotionally sell,
That's right.
just because down 10, 12%,
That's right.
you're reacting like everybody else would react.
That's right. And it's time. It's always time. It's
Always
always time in the market. If you have time, you got everything on your side.
And if you have to pay, buy more time.
That's right. Absolutely. And just like that, right? Like Tesla being down 12% or whatever. Guys, what is that? 3 days of Tesla at 4%? That's 3 days of a 4% run on Tesla, which does it all the time. Up, down, up, down, up, down. But everybody freaks out. Tesla went to 160. It's for sure going to $12 now. What is wrong with you people?
And
you
if
guys are
anything, the stock
silly.
goes down like that 10. Snowflake, another example.
Yeah.
That's just buying opportunity in disguise.
Correct.
It didn't even go as low as last year's fire sale.
Yeah,
exactly.
It's wild. So Kevin Oliver has a question. So you don't need a broker's license to do training. I'm confused. Kevin, there's nothing to be confused about. No, you have to have a brokerage license to trade for people or give them full-blown advice on their accounts. That is the only reason you would need a broker's license. I can show you what the market's going to do, how to get in and out mechanically and what I think and where it's going and all these. I don't need to be a broker for that, right? But if I had a license, now I'm managing your 401k or I'm trading for you or we're working together with your portfolio. These are things I cannot do and never would do. I don't need to do that. But I can show you guys what the market is doing, why it's doing what it does, what I think it's going to do long term, right? This isn't a pump and dump, right? Which we've seen like Atlas Trading, right? They got their asses hammered for fake pump and dumping, telling all their members to buy into stuff, and then they were selling it without telling them why. You can't discuss buying long-term stocks without understanding and talking about what your valuation is. What are you basing it upon, right? These are dangerous things. We don't say something to the moon. You better have concrete evidence or why you think it's going to do that, right? Because otherwise you're a fake pump and dump. This is why A lot of times I'm not in trades when our members are, and I will strictly flat out tell you I am not in this trade. You guys are all in this trade, right? Because this is not a pump thing. This isn't what we're doing over here. We're looking at when they break key critical levels, when they don't, how to trade if they do these things, right? But this isn't, you should be buying this to here, to the moon. You hold it and this stuff. No, it's all, no, that's no. So over here, because I've been doing this for 32 years, Kevin, is why I can help you, why we are finding the success that we are, why everybody in this room is individually trading different things, not necessarily what we're looking at, why I give you the tools to be successful. So great point, Kevin. I appreciate you. Yeah, if you guys want to go to somebody with a brokerage license, they will take 1% of all of your money every single year, and then they will write a couple of covered calls so that they can break the S&P's 8%. So they'll get you 10% because twice a year they'll write covered calls for you. Yay! That's what you'll get, right? Or they'll just throw it in your 401k account, take your 1% or $100,000 or both, and that's what your brokerages will do for you, right? Now, some of you don't have time. Some of you are not willing. Some of you don't want to trade on your own. Some of you will just not get it and you will not be good at this. That is a perfect time. Go look for a brokerage, right? Or a broker to handle your accounts because you obviously do not want to do that. So nothing wrong with it. But in here, this is a different type of situation. We are actually handling our own. Now, I will tell you this. I am all about diversification. You should have long-term, short-term, real estate property, rentals, right? You should have side businesses and side hustles and things that you're good at. And right, you can still work your 9 to 5 while doing this because I show you guys how to trade on your lunch breaks, your actual, your smoke breaks, your coffee breaks. I show you how to trade, right? Pre-market, post-market. Doesn't matter. I don't care what you work. We train you on the weekends. We're here all day, every single day. So it doesn't matter. We will show you all sorts of different ways you can trade, when you can trade, how you can trade, whether you have a $10 account or you hear some people in here now with a $30, $40 million account. You will see it all inside of this room, right? So that's what you will get over here at American Dream Trading. By the way, make sure you guys head on over to AmericanDreamTrading.com right now. Get signed up for a membership, monthly membership starting at $200. Don't forget, if you use the code Easter500, you can take $500 off of a 1 year for VIP, VIP Gold, or the VIP Gold Complete package, which has everything we have. Otherwise, come on over to our Discord. It is absolutely free. We have more training and education for free than anyone you will find anywhere, anytime that has ever existed in the history of stock market education. That's why we are number one. That's why we are featured in Inc. magazine over at Inc.com. This is why we were rated number one across the boards for sales and service. And this is why we've been here for so damn long. And we are the fastest and largest stock market company, growing company in the country. And we are not stopping. We continue to add products and services. We will continue to get bigger and better, faster, using more technology to help you more. Thank you very much for being here. Do me a favor if you guys would right now. We're going to read off the P&L because it's now 10:50. Everybody head on over. Make sure you post your profits and loss. I'll post mine just because I'm in here. Hold on. There we go. P&L time. Let's see. Mark McSee, are you in here?
Yes, sir.
Would you like to read the P&L since you are the new news master? Thank you for taking that over, by the way. Would you like to do the P&L? If you're busy or you're trading, I will grab someone else.
I'm fine. I can do it.
Okay, awesome. Here we go.
Just fair warning, I'm no DT the trucker, so
you're
female
fine.
trucker.
You're fine. We still love your face. Everybody kill the microphones. So here we go. Go ahead, rock and roll.
All right, I was in CGG and FLGC, GOX, which was a couple of those are weed stocks, and MLGO in the pre-market. Ended up with 509 profits. Had a couple bad, but I had more good than bad. So ended up with 509.
Great job.
JP in MLGO for profits. CCD, first time trading in 11 months. Holy cow. What would you have done if you traded every day? Look at that. 23.94% on her account.
That's awesome.
Holy cow.
Nice job.
Wow. Welcome back, by the way. Head Honcho, NVIDIA for $786. Todd's Money, one call, up 8% off the opening bell. Bought a lot of time going out to July. Thanks, Coach. $831. James L. Green Day getting greener. Steve J. CYTO for $19. Good job, Steve. And more, 410 so far. Good job. Utah Trader up $793 almost on NVIDIA. Watched the VIP Gold Mastermind class a couple times over the weekend, and it's starting to make sense.
Yeah.
We had 2 contracts, NVDA. That extra training's worth every dime in it.
Nice job, Utah Trader.
Yes. Dan Cricket, another Green Day. You and Coach are the ADT family, up 2.37% on his account. Did I hear crickets?
Yeah, that's darn cricket.
Darn cricket. Justin G, 213 Tesla. 2-minute EWO for the win and shed it in the process.
Nice.
Jim 007, over 3,000 profit in Tesla and NVIDIA this morning. Look at that, 33.55. ADT Coach, $1,918, 7.61%. I'm getting towards the bottom of the list, people. Let's get them up in there. Kyle J, $50, up after not trading for 3 weeks.
Nice job,
Good.
Kyle.
Hopefully you were studying. David, 3 trades, Apple up so far, 3.43% on the total account. Now a choppy day.
Now, real quick,
Go ahead.
with David here. David just broke a record. I think it was David. Are you in here?
Yes, sir.
Wasn't it? Didn't you just make $100,000 with us?
Since the time I joined the group, yes, sir.
$100,000 in profit for David since joining us.
Wow, David.
By the way, just so you guys know, David doesn't work anymore. There's no more 9 to 5. He's now a full-time moderator with us. He does full-time training with the group and $100K in profit. Thank you, David. We love your face, man. Appreciate you, buddy.
Thank you, sir.
Ferris. Hey, we do have a Ferris in here. Lost 18.24 to pre-market. That's
Ferris
okay.
Bueller. Ferris
You
Bueller.
minimize your Ferris.
Bueller.
That's good. Looks like you minimize your losses, so that's good. 1 trade at a time. Put it behind. Do it again. Our own Don, JJ Video reacts, 58% gain, 1 MU call. Holy cow, Don. Good job, $73.
Nice job.
58% gain on her money. Red. MicroStrategies for $1,720. Brandon, I'm still one of the amigos, AMD, since the opening. 10 contracts, up over $2,700 and still going.
Wow, Brandon, nice.
Wow, he's hitting it.
Nice.
Timo, 1.03% of total account. Timo, he's bringing it on too.
Yeah, Timo,
Another
getting
one.
it done.
Our own Ted Stryker, NVIDIA, CIMU, and Netflix and Meta, $1,489, $15,000, over $15,000 on his other accounts.
Wow,
Good
Ted.
job, Ted. He's killing it.
Crushing it.
He's gonna have a bunch of zeros after.
We're gonna have
his
to
bank
change
account.
his name to Ted the Moneybags instead of Ted Stryker.
There you go. Bear Cub still learning. Green Day, $136.
Yes,
Thanks
Bear
to Coach
Cub.
on NVIDIA. Look at that. Base hits.
Yes,
Base
Bear
hits.
Cub.
That's it.
Love it.
Hamilton closed out a MU trade from earnings, 300% profit.
Yes.
Holy cow! There's another guy. He's our next millionaire too.
Yeah, Hamilton's
We're gonna have
just
more
crushing
million
it.
years before the end of this year, Coach. It's not even funny.
I know
Up $2,200 so far. Look at that.
Beautiful. Hamilton doing a great job, buddy.
Yes, he is. Learn a lot from him.
Yes, Luke.
Thank you, guys.
Jeff S. up 9% on the day. Week 2, learning every day. Good job.
Week 2,
Chris
9%. Week 2, 9%. By the way, Jeff, you just beat the S&P Fortune 500 for a whole year on week 2.
Exactly.
Congratulations. Crazy.
And the one who's the most should get a most improved award for this year, Christina. NVIDIA MU up $1,493.
Yes.
Congratulations, Christina.
Yes.
You're really coming along.
Yes.
Hey, girl, hey.
Woo.
Hey, girl, hey.
Hey.
Awesome.
There she is.
Thanks, guys.
2 snaps and a circle.
Good job, Christina. Good job, Christina. Waffle down $19.
Hey, hang in
we
there,
know
Waffle.
he's going to turn that around.
Yeah,
He's
will.
minimizing losses,
Hang
right?
in there. Hang in there.
Yep. When you see these people that actually will put their losses in there,
Yeah, I
you
love
got to
it.
remember they more than likely minimize their losses.
That's
so
right.
they could have been worse, right?
That's right.
Ken C made a little $23 today on a quick 2-minute EWO. Still learning, applying what he's learned.
Yes.
Thanks, Coach.
Good job.
Eric Moto, let's go.
Woo, let's go, Eric.
Let's go.
Let's go, Eric.
$3,860 on AMD and NVIDIA. Brandon,
crushing it.
It's so cool to make your mortgage payment in a few hours, he says.
Yeah,
yes, it is.
Nice job, Brandon. Beautiful.
Sergio Julian, OTLK, 3.5% more shares on a dip. Friday had 11%. Today, 3.5%. Outstanding.
Nice job, Sergio.
Turk Diggler up $147 base hits. Way to go, Turk.
Yes, nice
He's being
job.
consistent. He's another one that's being more consistent every day also.
Absolutely.
Joe Pink, 18 months in, finally calmed his mind back down. 65 to pre-market, 80% on Intel today. It's still going.
Yes.
Patience, everyone.
Yes, yes.
And Brandon gave a shout out to Christina. Big Gabe. Still in it, and others.
Yes, good job.
There you go.
Good job.
I'm sorry, Big Rig, but my eyes aren't that great. I can't see. It looks like it says $48. The Corbin, one of our drivers,
yes,
up $75 in MU and $50 on Mara.
Nice job. Love that guy. Love that guy.
J-Lock, up $120.
Nice job, J-Lock.
USA Tour. NVIDIA, $2,393 using coaches indicators. They're money makers, ain't they?
Yes. Good job, USA Tour. Love the name.
And if we could just ban this next guy for his logo, Coach, it would make me happy. LD,
crap.
Coach saved me from the big
Steelers
loss
fan.
on SPY, only down $4 instead.
Nice job, LD.
I'm from Ohio. I have to root for the Browns. Sorry.
Oh boy.
Zay.
Yeah, that's kind of sorry.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Here we go. Here we go.
Zay, 8.45% on CYTO.
Nice, Zay.
By listening to the sound of Coach's voice this
Great
morning.
job.
Go, Zay.
Great job.
21 up $110. Good job. Last call. Last time. Go.
Here we go.
Now, they're not really posted because they were holding out for DT, but you get what you get sometimes. Can't always get what you want.
Is this our wish version? Is this our wish version?
Profit and loss. Oh, there's one. Ed Tech, $127. Made 3.5.2%.
There we
Outstanding,
go.
Ed.
There we
All
go.
right, back to you, Coach.
Thank you, man. Great job, brother. Great job. Nice job. By the way, just to let you guys know, MSTR, new high a day, Coin, new high a day, Riot, new high, Mara, new high. I told you these are some bad boys, right? These are rippas. So the call out on MSTR was at 1660, right? This is when I was like, hey, this is going to continue to run as long as the market looks hot. It has not stopped from 1660 to $1,800 on MSTR. Coin, new high of day, right? My coin.
Is that your coin?
Yeah, my coin. My coin is now up 10.3%, continuing to be a ripper. So nice job, everybody. Hopefully you're all cranking it out.
Yeah, Coach, look at Bitcoin in the last hour.
Oh, yeah, it's up 3.54%. Ethereum is up 3.5%. Dogecoin, 7%. I'm sure all your altcoins that you guys all love, and no, we're not going to yell out a bunch of altcoins because I don't want people to get wrecked on altcoins, safe moon to the moon, and nope. But anyways, all of them, right? Most of them should be to the upside. Continuing to rip. Looks like Scott just scooped up the mastermind class, How to Grow a Small Account, part due. Congratulations to you. I saw somebody else. Gavin came in, brand new monthly member. Welcome, Gavin. Appreciate you. Good to have you in here. Nice. Looks like Scott also just picked up the mastermind class, How to Grow a Small Account. Thank you for that. I appreciate that. I hope you enjoy that, and we will see you on the part due. Remember, you do not have to be a member, by the way, to sign up for one of those mastermind classes. Rob over here says, go Browns. That's awesome. Again, we had another amazing day. I appreciate all of you being here. You guys are absolutely amazing. I'm going to take off. Remember, I will not be here tomorrow. I got to go down to the Air Force Base and get checked in and clearance and all that other stuff. And unfortunately, it's at 8:30. So there's just no way. And it's about 45 minutes, I think, from my house. There's just no way I'll be back here in time. By the time we check in and IDs and all that, there's just no way. My son is going to meet us down there, though, to give us clearance and all that stuff. But again, I won't be here tomorrow. Remember, there's no stock market on Friday. Everybody, please be cool. Use all the rules that we have in place. Again, anytime you want to sign up and join us, American Dream Trading. Don't forget, use the discount code Easter500 to take $500 off the first year on a VIP, VIP Gold, or the VIP Complete package, which has everything we have to offer right now. $500 you can take off for the first year. Make sure you guys sign up. That is good till the end of the week, by the way. That is our Easter sale that is happening. And then, of course, all of our prices are going up. So I appreciate everybody, again, being here now on our 1 year and almost 8 months, which is just incredible. Thank you so much. I owe all of it to all of you and all my moderators. So thank you again, as always, to Bruno, Carter, Dawn, Paul at the Beach, Miranda, Johan, unhappily a housewife, Eric's Moto, DT, the female trucker, Luke Sidewalker, Jimmy, Brady, David, Mark, Nate, Ted, and Mark McC. Thank you guys so much. You guys are absolutely amazing. Love your faces. Don't forget, if you guys have any trouble, you need anything, any billing issues, anything that happens, just go over here to our help desk and simply create a ticket, and we have tons of moderators standing by to help all of you out at any time. We will take care of you. This is a professional business. We will handle it. Don't worry. No questions asked. We'll get it taken care of for you. Appreciate everybody. Again, thank you to all my military family. Thank you every single day here at American Dream Trading. We would not be here without the sacrifices that the men and women make every freaking day. We love you guys. We appreciate you. Same with all of our first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me. All my truck drivers around the world. Thank you, man. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Coach. Have a good day.
You too, man. I appreciate all of you. Thank you guys again for another amazing day. Love your faces. I will see all of you on Wednesday. Members, if we get the car tomorrow, I got to call them and make sure it's going to be here and all that stuff, but I'll post those pictures out there. Again, we would, my family and I owe all of this to you guys. You guys know my story. You know, I came from nothing. I owe all of this to all of you. So thank you guys. Every time I get in my car, every time I get in my house, every time I get to sit here, I am seriously humbled, grateful, and excited every single day to be here with all of you. And I owe everything, all the success that we have, to all of you guys. I really do appreciate it every single day, right? We were struggling. We were on the struggle bus before you guys came into my life. So again, I would have, Ted, the decision I would have made would have been working for somebody else again, doing something right again, and not loving my life, not having time, not making the extra money, not doing what I want, not being passionate anymore. Because guys, I was in IT, right, for 30 plus years. Like, I had already done everything. I've already achieved everything that I wanted to do out of it. But
you probably work for an Indian outsourcer.
Yeah, well, I mean, that's how I lost my job.
Yeah,
That's
exactly.
how and my wife. That's how both of us lost our job. And now you're hearing it every day with Microsoft and Google. All I see on TikTok is everybody losing their jobs, right? So again, I am very humbled and grateful every single day. So if you guys hear me talking about a car I bought or the house that I actually finally got, it's all for you guys. It's not to humble, or it's not to brag or be, egomaniac. I am appreciative. I understand I would not have any of it without any of you guys. Seriously, I think about it every day. Every day I thank God. As soon as I get done, by the way, I'm going to pray for all of us, whether you're a believer or not. It doesn't matter. Every day, though, I am so grateful. And this is why I work to the bone. This is why I never stop, is because I am so appreciative to everything I have. So the haters will say, oh, he's bragging about getting something. That's not it. I want you guys to know, when you work hard and you believe in yourself and you really, really are being the light and doing what you're supposed to do and you're building people up, good things will happen to you, right? So I, again, owe all of this to all of you. Love you too, Eric. I see you out there, buddy, over at American Dream Trading. So thank you guys again. And I know some of you are not in the place where you want to be financially, spiritually, right? All the things emotionally. I get it. We've all been there. Trust me. I know exactly where you are right now. I am very empathetic and sympathetic to your situation. Trust me. It wasn't long ago when I didn't have a job, a pot to piss in, or a window to throw it out of. I didn't know what we were going to do. And both of us had lost our jobs and we had to start over. And I was 49 years old. How the hell, right? You got a what? 49 what? Thought I had a nice secure job as a vice president for one of the largest MSPs in Florida, right? We were making millions upon millions of dollars. We were one of the largest ones there. There should not have been job loss, but it happens, man. Life happens, right? I've been everywhere from broken ass kid in the ghetto with nothing. And I mean nothing. When you think of nothing, I mean nothing, right? To now in a very comfortable home. And I'm talking about getting 2 cars. And I mean, hey, this is the American dream. I am living the American dream. And if I can do it, right, from nothing and no education and a high school dropout and no parents and no love and no nurturing and no support and no food and no furniture and no nothing, zero support system, right? If I can do it, I promise you, you can do it. Whether it's through trading in the market, changing your life, getting better at your job, being the light, helping the community, build the people up around you. Yeah, and I owe it all to God. I owe it all to God. Whether you're a believer or not, it's all on God. But if you are a believer or not, right? What have I been saying every day in 2024? It's about health and wealth, right? Health and wealth. This is where I want you guys. I want all of you, right, to live your best lives. I want all of you to be successful financially, spiritually, mentally, emotionally. This is what we got to do, man. Work on yourself every day, right? I'm human. I make mistakes. I do stupid shit all the time. That's us. We are human beings, right? But we got to do the best we can, man. So I will show up every day. All I ask when I do show up is you show up. Follow those rules, the simple rules I give you. When I talk, listen. When I say write something down, right? I don't ask a lot. Just show up. If I'm showing up every day, I want you to show up every day. Don't give up on yourself. I want you to be successful like you hear Ted, Hamilton, Nate, Brady, Jimmy, right? We got Nan in here who's turning the corner. Like, listen to what she's doing with her retirement account, right? Nana was super struggling. Look at Nana now, just crushing retirement. Christina starting to turn a corner here. Mark McSee is crushing it. I mean, you're hearing all this. You have got to stay the course. Eric has never worked since being at American Dream Trading. Please, for everything that I talk about all day, every day, you just got to show up, man. Don't give up. I know it can be hard, and I know you're going to have losing days where you're going to freak out and you're going to question everything, and this isn't for me and all that stuff. Block out all that shit. You're going to have people telling you in your ear not to do it. I know, I see that got shut down over there. That's fine. You're going to get stuff in your ear all the time. I don't care. Skip all the noise. It's just noise, right? I get it all the time from all angles. Everybody hating and talking crap about us and what we're doing. And, you know, this guy, there's no way they can be. I don't care. It's all a bunch of bullshit noise. I don't care. Seriously. And you shouldn't either. Do what you're supposed to do. Be a good person, and it will work out. Love your faces. I'm out. I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Be cool. See you.
Mike, way to go, Coach.
Thank you, guys.
Hi, Coach. Love your face.
Love you, Coach.
Good job, everybody. You guys are awesome.
You're awesome.
You're awesome.
I'm out.
Thanks, Coach.
Later, haters. They hate us because they ain't us.
Right?
Awesome,
They hate us because they ain't us.
That's right.
I recognize that laugh. What up, E?
Yo, what's up, Don?
Go.
Let's go! Let's go!
Eric Moto, what's up?
I love this guy. Let's get the money train going for everybody before I leave. Here we go.
Yeah.
Yes.
Love you, Coach.
Love you too, buddy.
Yeehaw! Let's go, team.
Hell yeah. Thank you, guys. I'm out of here. See you.